Hey everyone, I have the Nortiv 8 Barefoot Hiking Water Shoe in my hands today. And these are just going to be an overall great barefoot shoe. Look at that contrasting color, the blue with the orangish brown sole. Okay, that's going to like draw attention to your feet. If you like that, I love a great blue shoe. These are an upper mesh breathable shoe with an EVA non-marking, super grippy, super flexible shoe. I mean, look at that. Like you can flex them here, you can flex them in the middle and in the back. Look at that. Just an overall like rotating, flexible shoe. A barefoot shoe means that when you walk across the ground, you're gonna feel some of those rocks. You're gonna feel some of those sticks, but it's also gonna help with foot health. It's important to be able to like develop those foot muscles to keep an overall healthy foot. If you're gonna use this for water hiking, it has drainage holes, okay? There's 3 holes in the back and right around 6 holes right here in the forefoot, okay? So super important, okay? Nortiv 8 markings on the side here, also right here in the footbed. Just an overall great shoe.